Okay guys, this is a tough touring bracket system installed to a 15-foot fantasy camper hybrid pop top, and we've installed an outbound super peg Sheild 6 awning, which would be our preferred installation these days for hybrid campers of all sizes between 15 and 12 feet. That's our tough touring hook bracket there, which secures the rear 270 section of the awning against wind from all directions and stiffens it right up. Our brackets are up there on top. Now this awning is installed to aluminium angle, which runs the full length of the top plate, and that prevents water running down the side of the van under the awning, and also secures the 2.7 metre long awning from flexing at the front somewhat. Rather than running a full 4.3 metre awning in this van, because this one folds forward at 180 degrees at the top, the 2.7 metre awning is sufficient to cover the kitchen slide at the front as well as the fridge slide at the rear quite well, even on this 15-footer. Hope you like the video. Cheers and bye for now.